Today, I am speaking to a part of you that often stays silent, the part that feels tired, forgotten, or quietly aching. I know that you keep showing up every day. You do what's expected. You smile when needed. But deep inside, there's a weight that won't go away, and it has followed you from season to season. That weight is not just stress or bad luck. It's a chain, something that was never meant for you to carry. Some chains were formed through pain others caused. Some were passed down through families. Others were built from hurtful words or times you felt unloved and unworthy. But today I want you to know something powerful. You don't have to carry those chains anymore. You've learned to live with them. You've worked hard to appear strong. But I, your God, have seen everything. I was there the moment those chains started forming. I saw the tears, the questions, the nights you cried into your pillow asking, "What's wrong with me?" My child, nothing is wrong with you. You are not broken beyond repair. You are simply burdened. And today, I am stepping in to lift that burden off your soul. Not because you earned it, not because you figured everything out, but because I love you, because you belong to me. And I've decided the pain has gone on long enough. Yes, I've seen the fear that tells you you're not enough. The shame that whispers you'll never be free. The guilt that says you don't deserve peace. But none of that is from me. Those are lies. Chains meant to keep you from becoming who I created you to be. And now, I'm breaking them. You don't have to understand everything right now. You don't have to fix yourself before you come to me. Just say, "Yes, Lord, I'm ready." That small yes is all I need to begin healing what has been hurting for so long. The truth is, you are not weak. You are not forgotten. You are deeply loved. You are strong, not because you have no struggles, but because you keep holding on. You're here, reading this, not by accident. I led you here. I wanted you to hear my voice and know that freedom is possible. And it begins today. So breathe. Let the chains fall. Let my love be the voice you believe, not the lies of your past. I see you, I know you, and I am with you. My dear child, you may not realize it yet, but something is changing inside you. Can you feel it? That little tug on your heart, that quiet voice calling you to slow down and listen. That's me. I'm not far away. I'm right here, and I'm speaking to the deepest part of you. I see the weight you've been carrying, the thoughts that say, "I'm not enough," the feelings that keep you stuck, the chains that have wrapped around your mind for far too long. You've learned how to live with these invisible chains. You've called them normal, but I never meant for you to carry them. You've been trying so hard to stay strong, to fit in, to push past the pain. But now, I'm inviting you to do something better. I'm inviting you to walk with me, not in fear, not in pressure, but in freedom. Yes, freedom. Not the kind of freedom that disappears when things get hard, but the kind that comes from knowing who you really are, mine. You are not your mistakes. You are not your past. You are not what others have said about you. You are my child, created with purpose, filled with beauty, and marked with strength. Lately, you've noticed something shifting inside. You want peace. You want truth. You feel drawn to quiet moments and deeper thoughts. That's not just you changing. That's me waking something up in you. I'm calling you back to the real you, the you I created before fear and shame ever touched your heart. I'm restoring your voice, the one that speaks truth, the one that doesn't hide. I'm returning your courage, your joy, and your dreams, the ones you buried under disappointment. I'm breaking the patterns that made you feel stuck. This isn't just a nice idea. It's happening now. Chains are falling, slowly, surely, and forever. But freedom isn't a one-time thing. It's a new way of living. It's choosing every day to believe what I say about you, even when old thoughts try to sneak in. It's replacing lies with truth, fear with faith, and guilt with grace. So start with me, each morning, even just for a few minutes. Talk to me. Tell me what's real. I don't need fancy prayers. I just want you. I'll guide you, one small step at a time. And when you fall, because sometimes you will, I won't turn away. I'll help you back up, again and again. You are not too far gone. You are not too late. You are exactly where I can reach you. So walk forward now, not with pressure, but with peace. Walk like someone who knows they are free because you are. There's a shift happening in your heart, isn't there? You've felt it quietly, like the first light of morning after a long night. It may not look like anything around you has changed yet, but something inside you has. And that's where I begin, right at the center of your soul. You've carried heavy thoughts for a long time, worries that tell you you're not enough, fears that make you doubt if you're truly loved. You've tried to stay strong, but I never asked you to do this alone. I am here, not as a faraway idea, but as your father, your friend, and your deliverer. And today, I want you to know, you are free, not someday, now. You may not feel different right away, but freedom doesn't always start with fireworks. Sometimes, it begins with a whisper, a soft yes in your heart, a moment where you decide to stop running from me and start walking with me. I've seen every tear. I've heard every silent prayer. I know every part of your story, and still I love you. I'm not shocked by your struggles. I'm not scared of your pain. My love doesn't shrink when you fall. It stays. It surrounds. It heals. That old shame. It's not your identity. Those lies that said you're not worthy, they're breaking. You are not your mistakes. You are not what others did to you. You are mine. And because you are mine, you are safe to rest, to grow, and to become who I made you to be. This freedom isn't just about your feelings. It's about truth. When you spend time with me, in silence, in worship, in my word, I will remind you again and again who you really are. You don't have to perform. You don't have to prove anything. Just stay close. I'll take care of the rest. You'll begin to feel lighter. You'll notice peace showing up where panic used to live. Joy will return, not the kind that fades when life is hard, but the kind that stays because I'm staying. There will still be challenges, yes, but you won't face them alone. I will walk with you, speak to you, and guide you in ways you never imagined. You'll begin to recognize my voice, the one that brings calm, gives courage, and reminds you that you are deeply loved. So what now? Live like someone who is loved. Talk to me. Listen for me. Let my words become your compass. Open your hands, Let go of what you can't carry, and let me lead you. This is more than a good moment. This is the beginning of a new life. And remember this always. You are free. You are mine. And I will never leave you. With endless love, your father.